Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading out on an epic little adventure to one of Kenya's hidden gems, Thomson Falls. Located in the beautiful town of Nyahururu, this spot is all about breathtaking views, fresh mountain air, and that iconic 74-meter waterfall that's just waiting to blow your mind. Whether you're here for the nature, the chill vibes, or just some quality content, and maybe a few slips on rocks, you're in for a good time. So grab your hiking shoes, charge your camera, and let's dive into this unforgettable experience. Let's go check out Thomson Falls. We set off bright and early from Nairobi, and after about a 3-hour drive full of scenic views, random snacks, and good vibes, we finally made it to Nyahururu, home to one of Kenya's most iconic waterfalls. This place is packed with nature, fresh air, and of course, that massive 74-meter drop that's nothing short of epic. So buckle up, because this adventure is just getting started. Let's go explore Thomson Falls.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Before diving into the adventure, let's talk about the entry fees. Kenyan citizens, adults, Kenya shillings 70, children, Kenya shillings 30, non-citizens, adults, Kenya shillings 300, children, Kenya shillings 200.
Don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright, after all those stunning views and pics here and there, we're kicking things off with a little hike down to the falls. Let's go.
I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Over on this side, there's a quiet spot where you can just sit, relax, or even take a moment to pray. Heading down is actually pretty smooth. There are well-built stairs and the path's really well maintained, so you shouldn't have any trouble at all. But hey, be ready for the climb back up. It's a bit of a workout, so you'll need a little bit of fitness, and maybe some water too. Going down is easy peasy. Thanks to the nicely done stairs and well-kept path, it feels like a walk in the park. But the way back up? Oh boy, that's a different story. Get ready to question all your life choices halfway through. You'll need a bit of fitness, a lot of determination, and maybe a snack as emotional support. Don't say I didn't warn you. All that lush green around you, the fresh air, man, it's like nature's therapy session. Super calming, super refreshing. Just what the soul needs. Everywhere you look, it's green vibes all the way, trees towering above, plants swaying gently, birds chirping like they're performing just for you. The air? So fresh it feels illegal in some cities. It's honestly the kind of place that hits the reset button on your brain. Super peaceful, super healing. We're getting super close to the falls now. You can actually start to hear that deep, powerful rumble in the distance, kind of like nature giving us a dramatic soundtrack. The air's getting cooler, the mist is creeping in, and you just know something epic is around the corner. Almost there, I can feel the excitement building. And yes, we finally made it to the falls. After the hike, the views, and a bit of leg day action, we're standing right in front of this absolute beauty. The sound is insane, like a thunderstorm on repeat, and the mist? Let's just say your camera lens will need some wiping every 2 seconds. Of course, I couldn't just stand there acting all responsible, so I said, why not, and jumped right in. The water? Freezing. Like, instant brain freeze cold. But man, the adrenaline, the laughs, slipping on rocks like newborn giraffes. It was a whole vibe. Totally worth it, zero regrets, nature. One is so
Pizza?
alright. So after all the fun, the splashing, and pretending we were in a nature documentary, reality hit us. We had to hike back up. And let me tell you, the hike back is a whole different beast. Those same stairs that felt like a breeze on the way down? Yeah, they suddenly turned into a mini mountain. Legs burning, lungs working overtime, And at some point I was negotiating with gravity like, bro, chill. But hey, slow and steady wins the race. Plus, we got to pause, catch our breath, and soak in a few last views on the way up. A workout with a view? Not bad at all. Just don't forget to pack water, and maybe a pep talk for yourself halfway through. But here's the twist. I decided to throw in a little run on the way up. Yup, don't ask me why. Maybe I was chasing glory or just trying to impress the trees, but I went for it. Heart pounding, sweat dripping, but it felt so good. Like pushing past the limit and laughing in the face of gravity. And when I finally got to the top, that view, that breeze, that sense of, I actually did it, totally worth every burning muscle. Ended the hike tired, soaked, and smiling from ear to ear. 10 out of 10, would do it again, maybe after a nap though. Alright folks, that's a wrap on this epic adventure. From the stunning views up top, to the refreshing splash at the falls, and that not so gentle climb back up, with a bonus sprint for no reason. What a day. Honestly, this spot has it all, peaceful vibes, pure nature therapy, and just enough challenge to make you feel like a champ by the end. If you're ever looking to escape the noise, breathe in some fresh air, and reset your soul, this place delivers. Thanks for tagging along. If you enjoyed the vibes, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more adventures. Until the next one, stay curious, stay wild, and don't forget to pack extra water. Catch you in the next vlog.